Hello everybody, welcome to China PHONEFIX. This is Baby. Today we want you to meet our energetic and dedicated team who are ready to provide you with high quality repair tools and excellent services. First of all, let's get started by introducing our AliExpress team. Can you make a brief introduction of your team?
Okay. Hello friend, my name is Alan. I'm the leader of AliExpress team. Our team has 9 stores and 9 managers. We have many well-known brands like PHONEFIX, Mechanic, Jingcheng, Kuaike, and I2C. Our products are sold worldwide, especially Europe, North America, Brazil, and Russia. We offer in every kind of products for mobile phone repair. Our experienced business and warehouse teams ensure we can send the best products to you quickly. It's also making us be a reliable choice in the phone repair market.
Hi everyone, I'm Casey. I'm an e-commerce operation specialist in AliExpress. I've been working on e-commerce operation for 5 years. Our store is DIYPHONE store. The main products of our store are phone repair tools and phone accessories. The wholesaling products such as V1S and V1S PRO, microscope, soldering station.
I'm responsible for China DIYPHONE stock by AliExpress. Mainly sells mobile phone repair tools like programmer, microscope, soldering station, covering a variety of brands like JaiPhone, I2C, Mechanic, and so on.
Hello, dear customers. My name is Patrick, and I'm in charge of AliExpress store section 8 for vehicle repair tools. There are many microscope related materials and mobile phone repair tools. I hope all products will be useful to you.
Hi staff, good afternoon. What are you doing now?
I'm a sales order from South American customer.
Oh, what happened?
I'm helping the customers with suitable industrial camera.
Oh, that is. And may I know what about your main job?
Place to customer information and handle products update etc.
Hello, my name is Jay. I work on China PHONEFIX 2 store, cell phone repair to World store, and Missouri Vision store. If you are interested in microscope and cameras, lens, and soldering stations, or Face ID repair tools like V1S PRO, I2C programmer, please feel free to contact us. We will help you.
Hi, I'm Aya, in charge of AliExpress PHONEFIX store. Mainly sell mobile phone repair tools.
Now let's meet our talented website team. They are the powerhouse of our Supplier platform. Can you make a brief introduction?
No problem.
Hello, I'm Bailey, the sales team manager, and I'm responsible for the official website of DIYFIX tool and ECUFIX tool of the China PHONEFIX company.
DIYFIX tool aims to provide phone repair tools and accessories, and ECUFIX tool aims to provide automotive programmers, ECU chips, and others.
Hi everyone, I'm Sunny. I am mainly responsible for shopping for DIYFIX to the help household custom to solve product problems and complete orders. I also have custom one-on-one to clean custom and get packages smoothly.
Hello everyone, I'm Ada. I'm responsible for the ECUFIX website. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions.
Hello everyone, I am Audrey from China's PHONEFIX. I am mainly responsible for DIYFIX. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Jason, in charge of the Amazon PHONEFIX team store. Our store has phone repair tools and screen opening tools, solder remote station, and so on. Therefore, welcome to our store to buy what you want. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo, and I am the head of the website Alibaba, which is mainly engaged in wholesale mobile phone repair shop. If If you have any need, please contact me.
Now our talent management expert.
大家好，我叫苏桑，我是美克修科技有限公司的人事，负责人员招聘、行政工作以及后勤支持。
Hello， 我叫卢启军，我在美克修科技主要负责包装品牌设计，然后产品生产进度跟进，还有包装和生产进度跟进这几块工作。
嗨，我是杨青，我负责公司的产品拍摄及修图以及视频。
亚美，负责淘宝品牌的运营工作。我们的产品主要是类目的新品，找我下单。
嗨，大家好，我是瓦里，主要负责的话是咱们的独立站，还有国内的话1688，还有国际数位通店铺的采购，还有订单的处理和发货，能尽快的将货物发送给客户。
Hey, I'm Andy, CEO of PHONEFIX job team. PHONEFIX, DIYPHONE, DIYFIX are our brands.
China PHONEFIX focuses on offering one-stop phone repair solutions. Since 2016, have been providing a variety of products, including repair tools, sets, parts, accessories, refurbishing machine, and repair consumables. Based in Shenzhen, we offer affordable wholesale shopping services for phone repair business. Our products are available for purchase on popular online phones like AliExpress, eBay, Alibaba, Amazon, and Supplier.
You can easily find us on various search platforms such as Google, YouTube, Facebook, or different B2C and B2B business
PHONEFIX is trusted
websites.
by top phone repair experts worldwide. Influencers like JaiPhone, CamboFixing, and others recommend our high-quality product. Cooperating with PHONEFIX, those aspects share value insight. Contact us for cooperation opportunity and get photos like soldering station, microscope. Partner with us today for support and equipment you need.
Firstly, we offer phone repair tools, universal programmers, micro soldering tools, microscopes, phone accessories, and so on, especially for iPhone, Android phones, iPad, tablets repair.
Additionally, we also have a variety of universal cartridge programmer, ECU chip, and other IC for car repair.
However, if you can't find what you want on our website, just let us know. We will do our best to find and send it to you.
Furthermore, we offer helpful demo videos and documents for easy-to usage, and our team is available online to assist you through our trainings.
In addition, we provide comprehensive after-sales service, including parcel tracking, customs clearance assistance, and support for resolving product issues.
2024 PHONEFIX